Hello, students. First of all, thank you for logging on to your Google Classroom page today. I'm just going to go through our directions for our asynchronous assignment. So if you look at our Google Classroom page, it says we are working asynchronously today. That means off Zoom, and you still have assignments that you need to complete. And this video is attached to that post. So number one, you need to complete the Google check-in form. The link is right there below. And this form is really important because it will count as your attendance. So if you do not put your name in it and submit it, you will be marked absent. Then the next step is under classwork, under the Look, Listen, Link section of classwork, you're going to choose lesson number 3, part 2, depression worksheet. Go ahead and open that assignment. I want you to re-watch the video, this video right here that we watched last week. And then once you've watched the video, you're going to open lesson number 3, part 2, your copy of the Google Doc. And you are going to fill in your Google Doc, answering all of the questions. There is a teacher copy provided. So if you look back at the assignment, there's a teacher copy that says 5th, 4th, or 5th period, lesson number 3, and it says teacher copy. So you can look at that teacher copy to help you. And then this is the big part that a lot of folks forget. Make sure when you are done with your copy of the Google Doc that you click turn in. Mine doesn't show up on here, but you have that turn in button. So make sure you turn in your copy of your Google Doc when you are all finished. The Google form for attendance also has a spot if you have any questions. You can put your questions in there. And if you look at the post on our page, I've listed my email address and my Google Voice number if you do have questions. Again, this is not an April Fool's joke. So you can contact me at my email address or at my Google Voice number, which is listed right here on the post. Thank you, students. Have a great day.